As Ukraine keeps striking Russia's radar and electronic warfare equipment, Russia will struggle to gather information as well as deny Ukraine this. As the R-330Zh Zhitel is an electronic warfare system meant to jam communication as well as GPS. The system is always a top priority for Ukraine as it opens up more blind spots for Russia's capability. As the first GMLRS rocket was an alternative warhead, making over 180,000 tungsten fragments to spread and pierce sensitive equipment. With an M31A1 warhead coming in with a perfect hit after, making sure the already at least damaged system was taken out for good, as seen with a fire starting, burning down the whole system, taking out another of Russia's electronic warfare system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.